is November 26, 2024. This one here I got a call from a guy I've worked for him before. Got an old crusty old oil boiler that been on its last leg for the last 20 years. But anyway, it's tripping in safety. He called me last night, hit the reset, and he called me. He's okay, and now he's calling me back that it's not running, and probably needs service guy. You know, filter nozzle and start with that. A lot of times that takes care of it. We'll have to see. But we're gonna go over there and see if we could keep it working for the guy, I guess. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Miss Molly. She's a crusty one, Miss Molly. Yeah, she's a crusty one. Alright, she's up on safety. Last time I was here, police firematic handle. Police draw assembly, new electrodes, new transformer. Seemed like there was an issue going on with this thing. New nozzle, so that's been almost 3 years since we did the nozzle and filter. That's probably what it is. Put a new filter, new nozzle, and try it. This flipping thing's leaking. She's a crusty one. It's off on safety. This is a newer tank. How the hell am I even gonna get in it to change the fucking thing? What's all this shit? Must be forgetting in there or something. I gotta change this filter. The filter's there. I gotta change that. For a dull moment. I'll change that filter, see what that's like. That's probably pretty gnarly. She is one crusty one, Mama. I know it's gonna need a new filter. It's been a few years. I don't know why he's got the OSV valve. He's got the OSV valve and a protected oil line, so I don't know. Don't make any sense. Looks like Joe Homeowner special here. Oh yeah, look at the flipping. Look at the shit in there. Look at that. Bio slime. All water. Look at that, it's all fucking water. Wow. Look at the fucking shit in there. Wow, it's like diarrhea. Look at that. Fucking diarrhea from hell, Mama. See that brown shit? That's water. It's got water in the tank. Ain't gonna run like that. Diarrhea from hell. Look at that. Yeehaw. Nothing but quality here. Starving for flipping oil. Starving for oil. We got an F1 filter here. We'll put a new filter in it and see if we get it to work. Here's one crusty one. This stuff looks like diarrhea. home. Fire air from home. We'll leave the air in it because we could pull it through the pump. We'll see what we get from oil flow. We might have to change the screen. That's really bad. We'll change the filter. And we'll change the nozzle. And then we'll run it and see what kind of flow we get out of the pump. If we get a good flow, the screen's still good. That's what the problem was. He's blocked. Post-nasal drip. Flipping post-nasal drip there. Post-nasal drip. Oh, that thing was fucking, that was really pretty gnarly. That's pretty fucking gnarly. It's pretty gnarly. Got the fucking shit in there like diarrhea. Like diarrhea from hell. Alright, so let's open this. Let's open this thing up. Probably was starving for oil. I know this thing is in fucking tough shape. She's in tough shape, Mama. Look at that. Thing really needs to be. Boiler needs replacement. It's a burn. It's a leak ham. Fucking nasty. Typical bullshit I work on all fucking half dead. AFG burner. Just want to see what this nozzle looks like. It's probably not that, but we're going to change that while we're here. I'll give it a new nozzle. We'll give it a new nozzle and we'll check our oil flow. Filter was really bad. Filter was really bad. Can't let it go for 3 years like that. See, that's not all full of slime, so that's a good sign. It's probably alright. Filter's probably fine. Maybe. Probably wasn't getting that. It's probably starving for fuel through that filter. Yeah. When you hit the reset button, you know, it's been off for a little bit. It'll run, but then it'll start choking again. Lack of maintenance. Lack of maintenance. Lack of maintenance. Last time I was here, I sold this guy used parts to try to save him some money. I think that's what I did. I sold him used parts. Try to save the guy a couple of bucks. Alright, we'll bleed it and it should fire up. We'll bleed the oil pump. Open this up a couple of turns. I left the air in there, remember? And I should be able to jump out FF, keep it running to bleed it. Air out, see what I get for oil flow here. If I don't get a good flow, oil. I know the pump filter's blocked. Unless he's out of oil. There it comes. You don't have a lot of oil in there, I'll tell you. Might be out of oil. I'm gonna check this filter. He might be out of oil. There is a yeah, it's a little dirty. She's nothing crazy, but she is a little dirty. I think he's out of oil. That's what I think. Unless that OSV valve he's got this full of shit. We'll try it again. I'm gonna look crazy bad. The tube looks all twisted here. I don't like that. A jet tube. It looks a little fucked. I did open the valve on the other side, right? It should work. Alright, we're gonna fill the oil now. We got a good flow. Look at the nasty shit coming out of there. It's like fucking syrup. Flipping oil. It's like flipping syrup. This fucking thing's running though. That bitch. Not all full of soot. Fucking jet tubes doing the funky chicken. Oil looks really weird. Only in America. He's running. He's a leaker. Alright, new filter of tank, new nozzle, clean burner head, clean pump screen, good oil flow, good draft over fire. She is one crusty bitch, wow. Oil filter's not leaking. It don't even look like he's got any flipping oil in there. Well, not much. It is an old bitch. An old leak ham. She is one old crusty one.